Of course, are favorites all over America, and certainly big favorites of the Soul Train Gang, as they join us to do the latest recording entitled If You Feel Like Coming Home, Baby, which I think is an absolute smash. Let's do it real good, gang, for the bad Whispers.
If you feel like coming home, baby, I'm gonna be here. If you feel like coming home, baby, I'm gonna be here. Give me a call in the night to let me know you're coming. And ain't gonna make it less of a woman that I've been loving.
I think even I could dance on that one. What you think about that, Nick? Really fantastic. Who wrote it?
That was written by a young man by the name of Hillard Streets. He lives right here in Los Angeles.
Okay, now I want to receive a gold record from you guys when you get yours for that one, okay?
You'll be the first one who send it to me.
And while I'm very happy about the new release, I'm very sad to hear that Gordy is no longer with you. You want to tell us about that?
You remember the last time that we were on the show, and it had just happened right then. He was in a car accident. And since then, he's been taking therapy and treatment. He hurt his Adam's apple, and he's in the process of trying to get back.
So and, he does his vocal cord is damaged then.
Right, slightly damaged, and he's trying to get back, and we're all hoping that he can, you know.
Please give my regards to Gordy and to his family, and we hope that we can get it back together for him real soon. For the benefit of those who may not have met the Whispers before, and I doubt there are very many, this, of course, is Scotty.
No.
Walter. Marcus, Nick. Right. That's Scotty. How about a gang for the bad Whispers?
Girl, how was I to know when I first met you? All the changes I'd be going through, as helpless as a bird caught in your hurricane, and falling into your love I came. Cause when I first met you, my life will never be the same. Oh, I said only meant just to wet my feet, but you pulled me in well. Yes, you did. The waters of love run deep. Oh, this good feeling must have been sent from above, 'cause you got me walking on water, love. Oh, you got me walking, giving you, baby, my all in all. Sitting and waiting for your call. Helpless as a bird caught in your hurricane. Falling into your love I came. Oh, I said only meant just to wet my feet, but you pulled me in well. Yes, you did. The waters of love run deep. Oh, this good feeling must have been sent from above, 'cause you got me walking. You got me walking. Oh, water, love. Oh, you got me walking. I said only meant just to wet my.
We were recently informed that one of the greatest talents of this generation has decided not to perform on stage anymore for a period of about a year and a half, with the exception of benefits and things of that sort that he was previously committed to. Therefore, it is especially an honor that this wonderful human being would take the time out to come and visit with us. Gang, let's hear some thunder for Black Moses. Isaac Hayes. Ike, I guess the obvious question is why have you decided not to perform on stage for about a year and a half?
Well, Don, it's been, about 4 years I've been out here in the circuit, and to keep going around and around, you have a tendency, if you don't watch it, to burn yourself out. And I think I'll just lay off a while and get a backlog of albums before I go back.
Mm-hmm. I understand you're quite involved in, shall we say, the movie industry now. Tell us about the particular thing we discussed earlier.
Well, I'll be doing my debut as an actor at the end of this month. Mm-hmm. And I'm really looking forward to it. And another thing is that, after the picture, I'll probably really, concentrate on a lot of studio work. And that's producing.
The name of the picture and the part you'll be playing?
Oh, the picture is called Two Tough Guys, and I'll be playing a cop, an ex-cop that was kicked off the force, and, but unjustly, really, and finally I get my honor back and the whole thing, and it all works out pretty well.
Okay, I think the folks have a question or two.
Yes, my name is Diana Bruner, and I would like to know, when did you start, being singing and everything?
Well, I've been singing all my life, but professionally I got started around 1962.
There we go.
Oh, my name is Brother Martin Plummer, and Brother Ike, I'd like to know, where did you get that bad diamond from on your ring?
Oh, my wife gave it to me.
My name is Lauren, and I'd like to know what inspires you to wear chains, and are they real gold or silver or whatever?
No, they're not gold or silver. They're metal chains, and very light. But the inspiration behind the chains, first of all, it came out of the need of wearing something that was comfortable on stage because, you get hot when you work a lot. But after wearing the chains, I realized that people nowadays look upon the chains as a sex image, but for them to look at it in a positive manner is quite an honor because, to me, the chains nowadays make mockery of what they once represented to the black man of the United States.
I think we got time for one more.
Hi, my name is Vicky, and I would like to know, is it true that you have opened the doors to other black composers so they could score a film like you did in the past?
Well, that's what I was I was told, I guess behind Shaft, it proved that, you know, it could be done, and a lot of black entertainers are doing it now, which is, you know, good. So just to be in the right spot at the right time, you know, I feel good about it.
Isaac Hayes, we thank you again for joining us, and we know that you will be successful in whatever you think you feel like doing. How about it, gang, one more time for Black Mozart?